Canada, long considered a close economic ally of the United States, is undergoing a profound transformation. Faced with escalating trade pressures from its southern neighbor, Canada has embarked on a bold new path towards economic independence. The catalyst for this change was the imposition of tariffs and trade disputes initiated by the US in recent years. These actions galvanized a nationwide push for economic diversification and a reduced dependence on US trade. This shift is not merely a reaction to external pressures, but a proactive strategy to seize the opportunities presented by a rapidly changing world. This essay will explore the key facets of Canada's economic transformation, focusing on the pivotal role of British Columbia, the overhaul of its energy sector, and the forging of new global partnerships. At the forefront of Canada's economic resurgence is British Columbia, a province long recognized for its natural beauty and resource wealth. British Columbia's strategic location on the Pacific Rim, with its world-class ports and access to burgeoning Asian markets, positions it as a vital hub for global trade. Recognizing this potential, the province has undertaken ambitious infrastructure projects, including port expansions and upgrades, to enhance its logistical capabilities. Beyond its logistical advantages, British Columbia is also home to a thriving technology sector and a highly skilled workforce. The province has become a hotbed for innovation, particularly in clean energy technologies, attracting entrepreneurs and investors from around the world. British Columbia has implemented ambitious policies to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, promote clean energy, and protect its pristine natural environment. Canada's economic shift is perhaps most evident in its energy sector. Traditionally, the Canadian oil and gas industry has been heavily reliant on the US market, with pipelines transporting vast quantities of crude oil south of the border. However, recent years have witnessed a deliberate move towards energy independence, with Canada prioritizing domestic refining capacity and exploring alternative export markets. A prime example of this shift is the East-West Pipeline Initiative, designed to transport Canadian oil and gas resources to eastern Canada, reducing reliance on US refineries and pipelines. Furthermore, Canada is undergoing a major transition towards renewable energy sources, investing heavily in wind, solar, and hydroelectric power. By reducing reliance on fossil fuels and embracing renewable energy sources, Canada is securing a cleaner, more sustainable future for generations to come. Section 4. Powering the Future. Canada's Green Energy Revolution. Canada is rapidly becoming a global leader in green energy technology and expertise, attracting significant investments and fostering innovation in areas such as wind power, solar energy, and hydroelectric generation. This burgeoning sector is creating jobs, boosting the economy, and positioning Canada as a key player in the global fight against climate change. One of the most striking examples of Canada's green energy prowess is the Gordie Howe International Bridge, linking Detroit, Michigan with Windsor, Ontario. The bridge incorporates various green technologies such as LED lighting and a stormwater management system, minimizing its environmental impact and setting a new standard for sustainable infrastructure projects. As the world transitions to a low-carbon future, Canada is positioning itself at the forefront of this global shift, capitalizing on the growing demand for renewable energy technologies and expertise. Section 5. Global Partnerships, Forging New Trade Routes for a Sustainable Future. Recognizing the limitations of its historical reliance on the US market, Canada has been actively diversifying its trade relationships, forging new partnerships with countries in Europe, Asia, and other regions. These strategic alliances are opening up new markets for Canadian goods and services, reducing dependence on any single trading partner and strengthening Canada's position in the global economy. Moreover, these partnerships extend beyond traditional trade agreements, encompassing collaborations in areas such as clean technology, sustainable development, and research and innovation. By sharing its expertise and collaborating on innovative projects, Canada is contributing to a more sustainable future for all. By embracing self-reliance, diversifying its economy, and forging new global partnerships, Canada is charting a course toward a more prosperous and sustainable future, not just for Canadians, but for the world.